Ever wondered what it takes to join the Millionaires Club? Well, it's not just about luck or inheritance. It's also about mastering certain skills that can take you to that seven-figure mark. Here are 10 skills that can help pave your way to financial success. First up, financial literacy. Understanding how money works is crucial. This means knowing how to manage income, understanding investments, taxes, and the power of compound interest. It's about making money work for you rather than you working for money. Secondly, sales and marketing. Whether it's a product, a service, or even yourself, knowing how to sell is a game changer. It's about understanding the consumer's mind, tailoring your message effectively, and closing deals. Thirdly, communication. This is the bridge that connects people, ideas, and opportunities. Effective communication can help you articulate your vision, negotiate deals, and inspire your team. It's a vital skill to win in the game of wealth. Next is emotional intelligence. It's not just about IQ, EQ matters too. Understanding your own emotions and those of others can assist in making better decisions, managing stress, and navigating social complexities. The fifth skill is networking. Building a strong and diverse network can open doors to opportunities that would otherwise remain closed. It's not just about knowing people, it's about knowing the right people. The sixth skill is strategic thinking. This involves seeing the bigger picture, identifying opportunities, and making calculated decisions. It's about playing chess, not checkers. Seventh is leadership. Leaders are not just born, they are made. And they are made by hard effort, which is the price all of us must pay to achieve any goal that is worthwhile. Next up is time management. Time is more valuable than money. You can always earn more money, but you can't earn more time. Knowing how to prioritize tasks and manage time effectively can lead to increased productivity and success. The ninth skill is resilience. The road to success is often paved with failures. Being able to bounce back from setbacks and keep going despite obstacles is a key characteristic of most millionaires. Finally, the 10th skill is self-discipline. This is about having the willpower to persist with your goals, even when things get tough. It's about staying the course and maintaining focus. So there you have it, 10 skills that can help you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Financial literacy, sales and marketing, communication, emotional intelligence, networking, strategic thinking, leadership, time management, resilience, and self-discipline. Each of these skills plays a critical role in shaping your journey towards financial success, and each can be learned, practiced, and mastered. Remember, becoming a millionaire is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires patience, dedication, and above all, the right skills. So start honing these skills today, and who knows, the next millionaire success story